year सुद्धा पहिला आणि last year boycott सुद्धा केला NSUI ने elections. This is not only about Goa University elections or student council elections. It's an entire mindset that we are fighting. The NSUI and the Congress party has been fighting an entire mindset, a mindset of dictatorship. We stand against this dictatorship that the BJP stands for. BJP wants one leader at the top and he will control the entire system for the country. Today, if you go to see across the country, student leaders are not coming up. Student movements are not coming up. You take up one student movement, there are tens of cases that the government puts across our student leaders across the country. So basically, BJP does not want movements to come up. We are now going to live in nothing but a dictatorship. आणि असे स्टुडंट मुवमेंट्स येवपाक दिना जाल्यार we will end up in a dictatorship. So we are requesting the get us into. We have already seen cases wherein vote chori was very evident across the country. At the center, we have seen how Gyanesh Kumar has been solving each and every issue with injustice to the Congress party. And in Goa also, the DSW has every time appointed one Gyanesh Kumar to make sure that there is injustice to students and to student movements and to the NSUI specifically. So we stand against this and we warn the government that we will not keep quiet against this injustice, and any government interference will be brought forward to the media first and to the authorities, and we will expose them if they are involving in this elections, and we will make sure that we win, and if they are involving, we will expose them very rightfully.
आणि आम्ही मागता आमचे दर एक स्टुडंट्सांक की खूपशे स्टुडंट्स आमकां रीच आउट जाला अशें तुमकां दिसता की त्या कॉलेजीन इनजस्टीस जाता, BJP एफिलिएटेड मॅनेजमेंट तुमचेर इनजस्टीस करता, जाल्यार प्लीज रीच आउट टू अस. वी एज NSUI, वी एज स्टुडंट ऑर्गनायझेशन, वी विल स्टँड बिहाइंड यू ऑल एंड विल मेक शुअर दॅट यू ऑल गेट जस्टीस. की खुबशे स्टुडंट्स कितें जाता, डायरेक्ट गव्हर्मेंट इंटरफियर जाता म्हणून भियेता स्टुडंट्स, कळ्ळें न्हू. सो आय वॉन्ट टू जस्ट मेक वन पॉयंट क्लियर दॅट NSUI Goa इज विथ यू ऑल. Don't get scared. We will make sure that you all, the rightful candidate, win these elections. किती प्रश्न आहे